Keep a build journal or digital log for each project that you build. The great thing about documenting your projects is it allows you to clearly communicate with your clients. You're able to share your process as well as key milestones that you're hitting in the project. You're able to clearly explain why certain steps take time or require specific materials. And it also invites feedback at key stages to ensure alignment and satisfaction between you and your client. You can use the progress updates of photos and videos to build trust, keep your clients engaged, and cut off any issues that may appear.